Get you. Okay, I missed the countdown. We're live. Hey, welcome. Okay, so this is a simple, well, an introductory video for me even to this new exchange called wellclub.co. I'll leave a link down there and underneath the video or somewhere you'll find it. Click on it, get signed up. You don't have to submit any kind of ID, just email verification. That's it. And they allow up to 100 times leverage trading. I think even 200 if my memory serves me correctly, which it never does. I don't trust it anymore. Nah, I'm just joking. Maybe kind of. Edit that out. Wait, delete. Fuck. Okay, sorry for the kids. Okay, and there's nobody over there. I wasn't looking at anybody. Anyways, edit that out. So basic, rudimentary, as I was once told. Simple even is support and resistance. I don't even know how to draw with these tools. Where's it? I just need a straight line. Give me a damn line. Okay, so this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a, well, on the way up, it looks like, it was a support bar, a support band. So we could continue this on over here because it's gonna, it will continue as it tends to do. And that's as true as you're going to get as to a support or resistance band, because you have massive candlesticks. This is in a 1 hour view, so each one of these candlesticks represents 60 seconds. 60 minutes. Yeah, I was learned good in school. School taught me well. That's why I'm on wellclub.co. See? Alright. I'll stick to trading. Anyways, I won't waste your time. Look, so this is a support bar. I mean, it literally stays true to it, almost to the freaking dime. And if it does break through, it's got to be one hell of a bar. It's got to be one hell of an influx of buys or sells to stay true, because if it's not significant, if it's not strong enough, and especially if it's the first approach, like if it's the first time it's hitting this area, majority of times it's not going to break through, and you'll have what they call false breakouts, which is what is represented here. It breaks through the support bar. The newbie would get all excited and bust in his pants prematurely and buy, but then he'd get burned. And that just comes with time. I can't even explain that myself. And plus, looking back in hindsight, I mean, anybody and everybody is an expert when you're analyzing a chart backwards, right? Anyways, so that support bar stays true until it breaks. Boom. So 1 hour, solid 1 hour, like it did over here. In order to get above it, solid 1 hour, followed by another, so 2 consecutive hours. So you gotta, I think if it's going to break back through that same area of resistance or support, because they will interchange depending on the uptrend or downtrend of the currency or asset or commodity or whatever you're trading is. Anyways, so I leave my drawings. I like my drawings. They are very detailed by the time it's done. But oftentimes, more often than not, a resistance band that contained the price in an uptrend, more often than not, will become, if not a support, it will be within range. It'll be a good guesstimation of where to expect support, because if you do your homework and actually look into currencies and this fictitious world of value, you'll see it'll tell you. I know there's an old saying in Tennessee, there's one in Texas. Sorry, it's a song, you know. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, wait, fool me three, they can't fool me again. I'm sorry. Anyways, so here's the deal. This is my flashback, because if you notice down here, in the bottom right, I've got two positions that I've taken after deep meditative, like Buddha-like, monk-esque focus, right? Like homogenized, harmonious precision. Almost, I'd say, like a damn surgeon. You got this here is another support bar. A support bar, like a sports bar. No, not really. That's stupid. Alright, so I haven't slept in like a week and a half. It's this damn cryptocurrencies, man. They're not good for your health, but they're good for your wealth. Sacrifices. But like I was saying, or I wasn't saying, I drew that kind of high. But you get the point here. It comes down, it touches it. Okay. Oh shit! It's like dipping your toes in the lake when you're skinny dipping, and it's cold. Okay, fine. My girlfriend doesn't like that. Okay, so anyways, it'll come down, it'll kiss it, and then bounce up.
I mean, I like it, but
And
I charge for that.
and yes, See, so then you just let it flow. Second, two times, no. Well, I don't know. I can't say no, but I did. It all depends. It all depends on what pair you're trading, what currency, what commodity. This happens to be Bitcoin USD. Speaking of D, so I started watching it here after I backlogged the trend lines. When I got the Twin Towers, I'll show you what it means. So zoom in on a 30-minute candlestick. Right here, you get the Twin Peaks. These candlesticks are pretty much the same size in relation. This red one is about the same length. See that there? Anyways, so that's a flat line. It's called an equilibrium. I just made that up, but it should be in the books because it makes sense. Because it equalizes, and then it restabilizes back down, since this is a Bitcoin USD in a downward trend, downward facing dog. Once it equalizes, it then stabilizes and just continues on down the way. So it is at this point, I'm thinking here. Nah, that's a lie. It's got to be here, because there's not enough movement for me. I would rather wait for a sure thing than take a higher risk for a maybe. So yeah, I got in here because This is why. Just wait, I'm getting to the good stuff. Right? Indicators, indicator. When are the indicators to be a what? Okay, Bollinger Bands, a must, right? Everybody knows that. That's like Investors 101, duh. Not really, I don't really like Bollinger Bands, but they serve a purpose. So I'll put them on there for what happened? Oh, she's fine. Don't worry. Okay, let's see. There are tons of indicators here, and I would love to find out new, unbeknownst to my personal knowledge of indicators that are effective. But from what I know, nothing's really effective. It's all speculation. If you ask my father, who's not in the market right now, because he's speculative. Me, I'm passive aggressive. I'm gonna short the hell out of this Bitcoin till about $1,000, and I'm gonna buy and hold and buy more. But I do know MacD. He's cool. What's up, Mac? Anyways, money flow, moon phases, whatever the hell that is. Moving average is always good to have. You always want to have a moving average. And if you can change the actual time period, that's even better. Like typical is like a 20-day moving average and a 80-day moving average or something. Something like that. 20-day and like 120-day. Probably even longer than that now. Okay, net volume. Parabolic SAR, that bothers the hell out of me. Relative strength index is another key. Yes, gotta have. Stochastics RSI. Yeah. Looks like unlock the full power of TradingView with upgraded plans. Oh, it only supports 3 indicators. That's okay. I'm content with 3 indicators. So Stochastics RSI. So that means we should be able to take off that RSI. And then we'll get to volume 2. Alright, that should be enough, man. Show me something good. Okay, that's fine. Come on, damn it. Stop it. Anyways, dude, this sucks. Go. Okay. So anyways, like I was saying, or wasn't saying, I don't know what the hell was going on. RSI. No, we need stochastic RSI. Okay, so volume. Volume is always key because volume means movement. Movement is vital. I mean, without movement, you're stale. You're stagnant. No one likes stale, stagnant, gross, mosquito-infested ponds of fecal matter. Alright, I'm going to zoom back out to a 1-hour candlestick because this is I'm more comfortable with. Actually, I'm more comfortable with a 12-hour candlestick, to be honest with you, because I swing trade like I swing the parties. Just joking, babe. Sometimes. Anyway, so this is the deal right here. According to my market analysis and personal exchanges on other exchanges. Speaking of which, I need to do something like that. I need to do that. So we're going to do a new order here, XBT Euro. We'll sell it. Why not? Let's see what happens. It says stop share. Okay, I'm good. Okay, positions. So I took out a position. Okay, there it is. Boom. there's no greater feeling, well, besides when you cash out, when you take a position for 2 Bitcoin, you're shorting Bitcoin versus the euro, right? And you don't start out in the red. That is a good thing. Oh shit! And as I refresh it, that's okay though. It'll come back. It'll retrace because here is a low. Oh, I bought it at a low. I wasn't paying attention. See, that's what you get for just impulse buying, you jackass. No shopping.
Are you getting off somewhere?
Yeah, I'm gonna get off sometime.
Are you a customer? I'm gonna say some stuff.
Okay, we're gonna take a break because this video is dragging on.
Yes.
This is right here. This is my market watch. It's called Crypto Watch. You'll learn more about that if you stay with me. Okay, I'm out.